everyone. Today we will going to read another short story entitled Reptiles. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that grow. There are four groups of reptiles. They are the turtles, alligators, and crocodiles, the lizards, and the snakes. There are about 5,000 kinds of reptiles in these four groups. All reptiles have backbones. They breathe in air through their lungs. They do not have gills. Most reptiles are covered with scales, but some are not. Reptile bodies are dry. They are never slimy. Most reptiles live in the hot parts of the world than anywhere else. Some reptiles live in countries that are warm in summer and cold in winter. In winter, reptiles bury themselves in mud or crawl into holes or dens and stay there until the warm weather comes. This is called hibernating. No reptiles can live in the very cold lands near the North and South Poles. Some reptiles eat plants, others eat meat. Many reptiles have teeth, but only few use their teeth for chewing. Some use them for catching the food and holding it until they can swallow it whole. Most reptiles lay eggs. Reptile eggs are laid on land, even if the reptiles that had laid them spent most of their lives in water. Some carry their eggs around in their bodies until their eggs hatch. Some reptiles are dangerous, some are poisonous, but there are more harmless reptiles than harmful ones. And now, for this part, you will going to choose the letter of the correct answer. You will going to answer the following questions. Number 1, how do you characterize reptiles? A. Animals that crawl. B. Animals that swims. C. Animals that fly. Number 2, how do reptiles breathe? A. Through their gills. B. Through their skin. C. Through their lungs. Number 3, which of the following does not belong to the reptile group? A. Crocodiles. B. Turtles. C. Crabs. Number 4, are there more harmless reptiles than harmful ones? A. Yes. B. No. C. Does not say. Number 5, where do most reptiles prefer to live? A. Cold parts of the world. B. Hot parts of the world. C. Parts of the world where it snows the whole year. Question number 6. Why do most reptiles hibernate? A. To stay away from cold winter snow. B. To lay their eggs quietly and undisturbed. C. To stay away from the very hot summer sun. Number 7. Which of the reptiles below are poisonous? A. Turtles. B. Snakes. C. Alligators. Number 8. Under which of the following do we classify reptiles? A. Cold-blooded animals. B. Nocturnal animals. C. Warm-blooded animals. Number 9 question. Why do you think do reptiles lay eggs on land even when some of them spent most of their lives in water? A. Eggs of reptiles cannot hatch in the water. B. Newly hatched reptiles cannot breathe in the water. C. Newly hatched eggs are mostly bitten by other fish. Number 10. All reptiles eat meat of other animals. Answer this with true or false. And that's all for now. I am Teacher Cheryl. Thank you for reading along with me again.